wa matanga oenekiwa ase ensemo ya Gusii ase ABARARI usai ABARARI akorwa ase getasedekiga kia Ensoko TV BAIKERANA ase ensemo iyo nenchiremo yokorwa ENG'ORA yabo ya BENE gochia ase omokori emeremo omwabo Sultan Obang'I uyu nyatokoba gagosiria tatu mwabo uyu oenigwa rituko ria rero bakoragwa no mutenderi bwa mangana moye korwa ase getasedekiga Frida Kerubone gati ya ABARARI bande nigo barure ENG'ORA yabo ya BENE murikito wikili forenge na iradi bagari ya BENE kwarigania oroboti oro na gutumanya igati ya ariene kiwasiri tukoria rero
sabato nyar koba tokora senchira wa koba kwani mwensi pimbia mone tumsifu Yesu Kristo milena milela amina yasaba kwe chance
chengoro kwa Steven Nyariki Embunde kokoro moroberi okoro korwe county ya wajitwa taba kambi hasensemo yage kumoni me county ya Kisii ase Komorera omokori omweremo bwe Ensoko TV hasa Marieta Bangi asogo siria ise ayuna yanda mange gendera kubwati Ensoko TV oboroso bombo Gusii rietara Nyariki Steven Embunde
ABARARI naboigo abananchi korwa ase kinyorugia gekomoni nigo BAIKERANA asomega bokomwenia Omogaka Samuel Njore nanya nabo abantu abange banyakoba BAIKERANA korwa ase ensemo ya Nairobi na Mombasa nigo borokira amayiyandabo aso ogosira kwa omonto bamwanchite kurenana nanya nabo nigo familia remeu naboigo gosabirwa maya kuripoteria Ensoko TV korwa ase kijorogia gekomoni ebunge ya obasi county ya Kisii Chepethuel Machen
nabakwanire nainde no atorasa mabembe ya mole tonalite gukwana umuntu bweke Gusii korenda ase ebire bigana mokonganchira ngonchireria keigo message ye korwa ase director yaito Job Nyasimi Momanyi Ensoko TV egotebaiga. Dear family, friends, and loved ones gathered here today, on behalf of entire Long Range Communication Limited, parent company to our fast growing media house in Gusii Nation, and all other places where Gusii resides, Ensoko TV, I bring our deepest condolences to you, Brother Victor Mbaka, and your loved ones during this difficult time, following the untimely passing of your beloved father. I know this is an incredibly difficult time for you and your family. Words are inadequate like this. In this sacred space of remembrance, we honor a life that touched so many. A father whose wisdom, strength, and love shaped your brother Victor other siblings, persons we all admire. One time like this, to the family, just know that your father's legacy shall live on, not just in your hearts, but in the passion and integrity he brought you all up with. As we reflect on this, be comforted that your family patriarch is resting while watching all of you from above. Today, we stand with you in grief, celebrating our life well and the bonds of family. May God surround you all. Thank you.